Hey DIY clubbers, welcome to this week's project. Stay tuned to see how I created this winter wonderland Zen garden. So first I'm going to start by taking my little angel figurines and using this gold paint and completely painting the bodies of the figurines. Of course, you could paint the wings if you would like, but I decided to go ahead and leave them white. There was only one of them that I accidentally got paint on, and so I just kind of added some of the paint to the wing. Next, I removed the sticker from the bottom of our garden dish, and I'm going to take the little Christmas trees and place them in the dish and secure them using my hot glue gun. This is completely optional. You do not have to glue them down, but because I do not want them to move, I am going to glue them. But like I said, it's completely customizable and completely up to you as to whether or not you do this step. Once the trees are secured, I go ahead and place 2 packs of my sand into the garden dish and start placing my objects. I went ahead and added a candle and these really pretty smooth black stones, just creating a path right around the candle. Wherever you decide to place your items is up to you. Make it fun, make it unique. This is just how I decided to do it, and it's all just up to preference. Once I got those items placed, I went ahead and added my little angels. I went ahead and painted 4 of them, and so those were the 4 that I am adding to my little Zen garden. And here is our finished Winter Wonderland Zen garden. I do want to read you guys some information that I Googled on Zen gardens so you would know what they are normally used for. So it says the Japanese rock garden or dry landscape garden, often called a Zen garden, creates a miniature stylized landscape through carefully composed arrangements of rocks, water features, moss, pruned trees, and bushes, and uses gravel or sand that is raked to represent ripples in water. Now, of course, I did kind of do my own interpretation with this Zen garden, but hopefully the purpose of it will be the same for you, because it also says that the symbolism in a Zen garden is basically a place for you to meditate and put your mind at rest. It's a way for you to experience a state of calm and tranquility. And I think that as the world is going on and there's so much happening, we could all use and experience that state of calm and tranquility. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I hope you liked the video. Share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right. Love you guys. Bye.